Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the previous Python interview questions sequence of videos, we have seen up to 65 questions. In today's session, we are going to discuss about indentation in Python. How you are going to write indentation in Python? What is mean by indentation in Python? We are going to discuss. See, it's a very simple thing, sir. Generally, set of or I can say a group of instructions. Set of or group of instructions is called as a block of statements. In other programming languages, okay, in other programming languages, we are going to define this block of statements by using these curly brackets. If you observe, like you may take a C language or C++ or Java, any programming language. If you want to define this indentation, I mean, this block of statements, we will start with opening curly brackets. We will take all the statements here and at the ending, we are going to complete with closing bracket. This group of statements are going to be executed whenever some condition is satisfied or some looping statement is satisfied, like that. How you can define these type of things in Python? For that, we have a concept called indentation. In Python, in Python, we can represent a group of statements using indentation. Sir, how you are going to define this indentation? By using colon, we are going to define indentation. If you want to see the diagrammatic representation for this, see here in this Python, how you are going to write, I am going to draw. See, if some condition is satisfied, just for your understanding purpose, I am taking. Suppose if some condition is satisfied, so what we are going to do? We will take a block like this, which is going to start from like this. Then once if it is completed, I'm going to take a set of instructions in this style. So all these group of instructions will be provided in this style. This is nothing but the first instruction, second instruction, third instruction, fourth instruction, fifth instruction, like that. Whenever the condition is satisfied, we are going to execute this group of instructions like that we have. So this is nothing but what is meant by if condition. So if the condition is satisfied, we are executing this group of statements. That's all, very simple, sir. Once if you are taking any statement outside of this, then it is an independent of this if condition. It is nothing but independent of this if condition, like that we have. This is nothing but what is mean by indentation, how you are going to write the indentation. A group of statements we are going to provide, so within a block. So unfortunately in Python, we don't have these blocks, right? That is the reason why we are using this indentation. Beyond that, nothing is there, friends. Now I will try to write one program to demonstrate this indentation. Let me cover. Okay, sir, I'm going to take one simple example. Like I want to print some natural numbers. For that requirement, I'm taking a Python program. Let us see how it will be. So I'm going to save this file with name test.python. Now, see, for I in range of 1 to 11 or 1 to 10 plus 1, how many times this loop is going to execute? It will execute 10 times. Every time I want to print a statement like this. So that's all. If you run this code, what output we are going to get, you can see. It is printing some 10 natural numbers like this. Okay, you can observe from 1 to 10, it is printing all these values. Okay, sir, if I am not giving this within bracket, I mean within the indentation, then what will happen? If you want, you can see, have you observed here? We are getting one special error saying indentation error. expected an indented block after for statement on line number 1. There is a indentation problem like that we have. So if you are printing any other statement here, for example, I am taking by, what will happen since it is there inside indentation, for every iteration, it is going to print the word called by. Sir, this is not my requirement. I want to print this after completion of the loop. If you want to print this after completion of the loop, what we have to do? Please come out from this indented block. That's all. Now, if I execute this program, what will happen? First, it is printing the set of instructions what you have enclosed within this indentation. After coming out from this indentation, then you can see we are getting a message called by. This is nothing but how indentation is going to work in Python. In other languages, we have these curly brackets are there, but here curly brackets scenario is not there. So in that place, we have this indentation concept, nothing more than this. Okay, right, sir. I hope you understood very clearly what is happening in this case. Thank you, friends.